Hello everyone, today's video is about the easiest way to tame a canary because it doesn't need any feeding commitment and you don't have to cut the canary's feathers. I've used this method to tame several canaries, but today we will do it together. So here I have about 2 months old canaries. For me, I would like to tame a male, so I will choose this one because he looks a male to me. Of course, I'm not sure about that because he is too young. You need to make sure that the room is closed and your bird won't be able to escape. Now I needed to make him stand on my hand, but he won't do this till he gets tired, so that will take a few minutes of running. It takes me about 3 minutes, but I speeded up the video to not be long. As you can see, I'm putting my finger under his chest and over his legs to force him to stand on my hand. You need to know that this is the full video. I didn't cut anything of it, I just split it up. And finally he did it. So I needed to be calm and move my hand slowly to start building a trust. Actually, I didn't choose a name for this guy yet, so if you have a name, please let me know about it in the comment below. Of course, you can use this method to tame a canary at any age, but it will be easier if the canary is young like this one. I'm remaining calm because I don't want the bird to panic. This video will be part 1 of taming this lovely bird. So if you want to see the progress that we will achieve, please hit the subscribe button. Now I will repeat what I did to show you how he will act, and he did it easily as you can see. As I told you, that was the first part. So if you like what I did, hit the like and the subscribe button and meet you in part 2.